Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today topic is lookup function in Microsoft Excel. Before watching this video please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. Use lookup function, one of the lookup and reference functions, when you need to look in a single row or column and find a value from the same position in a second row or column. For example, let's say you know the part number for an auto part, but you don't know the price. You can use the lookup function to return the price in cell H3 when you enter the auto part number in cell H2. Type the formula in H3 cell, then type lookup or press tab key, then insert this formula in active cell. Select lookup value cell H2. Lookup value is a value that lookup searches for in the first vector. Lookup value can be a number, text, a logical value, or a name or reference that refers to a value, and type comma and select lookup vector range. Lookup vector is a range that contains only one row or one column. The values in lookup vector can be text, numbers, or logical values. Now select lookup range from part number B3 to B6. Type comma and select result vector is a range that contains only one row or column. The result vector argument must be the same size as lookup vector. It has to be the same size. Now select result vector range part price D3 to D6, then press enter. Still time I am not enter part number, so display not applicable error in H3 cell. Now I am type the part number A001, then part number A001 price is display. I can change part number A004, then part number A004 price is display. Now you can change the price cell in dollar currency format. Right click on active H3 cell, select format cells, click on number tab, then select currency and select dollar English, United States. Use the lookup function to search one row or one column. In this example, we're searching prices in column D. There are two ways to use a lookup function: first vector form and second array form. Explain the first vector form. The vector form of lookup looks in a one row or one column range, known as a vector, for a value and returns a value from the same position in a second one row or one column range. Vector examples. Let's see B12 cell frequency and C12 color. I want to look up color according to frequency. I am type lookup formula in H12 cell, then type equals lookup or press tab key, then insert this formula in active cell. Type lookup vector value means frequency 4.14, then type comma and select lookup vector range B13 to B17. Type comma and select lookup result vector range C13 to C17. Press enter. Show the lookup formula result red. Press F2 key in formula cell H12 and change frequency 6.39 and no change lookup vector and lookup result range. Show the result blue. Press F2 key in formula cell H12 and change frequency 0 and no change lookup vector and lookup result range. Show the result error not applicable because 0 not in frequency. And second array form. The array form is provided for compatibility with other spreadsheet programs, but its functionality is limited. Array form. The array form of lookup looks in the first row or column of an array for the specified value and returns a value from the same position in the last row or column of the array. Use this form of lookup when the values that you want to match are in the first row or column of the array. Let's see B21 cell frequency and C21 color. I want to look up color according to frequency. I am type lookup formula in H21 cell, then type equals lookup or press tab key, then insert this formula in active cell. Type lookup vector value means frequency 4.14, then type comma and select array range B22 to C28 and press enter. Show the lookup formula result red. Press F2 key in formula cell H21 and change frequency 6.39 and no change array range. Show the result blue. Press F2 key in formula cell H21 and change frequency 0 and no change array range. Show the result error not applicable because 0 not in frequency. Important: the values in array must be placed in ascending order: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and A to Z, false, true, otherwise, lookup might not return the correct value. Uppercase and lowercase text are equivalent. Thank you for watching this video.